The world doesn't need more Pollyanna thinking. It always cracks me up when I have people that misunderstand the message that I try to spread and they accuse me of being a Pollyanna. It's like, I am so far from that. I don't see the world as this perfect, optimistic place. I think it's a little fucked up. So, but I am not going to let myself get wrapped up in the emotional reaction to that. So I don't need to make it wrong and therefore go into the reactive state of feeling angry or upset or fearful because it's out of my control. That is the situation. That is what I am always putting out to people, is that you have a choice about how you see things. You have a choice about how you interact with things. And the biggest thing is that as long as you are trying to make things right or wrong, you get into this loop where you have to have an emotional reaction. And of course, if you've been following me for a while, you know that when you have an emotional reaction, when your emotions go high, your cognitive reasoning goes low. So we want to be able to bring that down. And this is the piece. When we start to see the world as neither good nor bad, nor right or wrong, we can move out of this reactive state that happens so often. I see so many people in this constant reactive state that it's not helping the situation. So you do not have to be thinking that the world is like all a bed of roses in order to be able to take action, and being, seeing the world as neither right nor wrong does not prevent you from taking action either. So I always find people misunderstand that too. I am not saying don't take action. I'm saying don't get caught up in it emotionally, because you'll probably have more resources to come up with more creative solutions because you'll have more bandwidth, right? It's this way. You'll have more bandwidth available to come up with those creative solutions. All right. Keep being awesome. Step out of making things right or wrong. It will make your life a whole lot easier. If you need help getting there, that is what I do. Help people to step into higher levels of consciousness and really have a lot more ease so that you have creative thoughts, creative ideas in your business, in your life. Woohoo! Have some more fun. Take care.